Now we will start cooking our Pinoy adobo recipe. Simple adobo recipe. We are going to use the basic adobo ingredients here in our dish, and we'll see if it's going to be a treat for all of us here. Adobo is a popular dish in Philippine cuisine. The standard or classic way of cooking adobo uses chicken or pork, but you may use other meat like seafoods or vegetables. The perfect adobo lies in the balance of soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, and spices such as bay leaves and fresh peppercorn. But what exactly is adobo? Adobo is a cooking technique. Therefore, it is also the name of the dish. In English, adobo means vinegar-braised. Evenly cut chunks of meat are first seared in hot fat until they brown. Like any other culinary practices, the name of the dish is somehow derived from the cooking techniques, namely steam, blanch, sear, braise, poach, roast, and grill, among others. Now, the adobo's disputed origin. Is adobo Filipino or Mexican or Spanish for that matter? The existence of the tangy dish was first recorded in 1613 by the Spaniard Pedro de San Buenaventura. The word adobo is a Spanish word adobar, which means marinade or pickling sauce, o yung nilalagay natin sa mga pickles. Thus, in Spanish, adobo is a sauce and not a dish. We just have to make it clear to everyone. Adobo in Spanish is a sauce and not a dish. According to Raymond Sokolov, a US journalist and a food historian, the ingredients for adobo already existed in the Philippines before Ferdinand Magellan even laid eyes on our shores. Only the name, which comes from the Spanish word for sauce, came later. Now, during those times, Filipinos already practiced adobo cooking technique, which is thought to have originated during pre-refrigeration times in attempt to preserve meat by cooking it in vinegar and salt mixture. Later on, the Chinese traders who visited our islands introduced the soy sauce to early Filipinos. I don't know for you guys, but when I cook pork dishes, whether it's fried or braised, I usually boil my pork first to remove the excess dirt on the meat and to make the pork meat tender. I don't know, it was already my technique for doing so. You may or you may not follow my system because we have our individual preferences. So for today's cooking, we have to boil the pork first. Remove the boiled pork and drain. Set aside the pork broth for later use. We're now going to heat the pan, low heat first. And then we'll put the oil, tablespoon oil. It's just way to make the oil hot or ready for cooking.
Going to add the garlic. 3 cloves of garlic. So remember, this is the basic or the most basic adobo that anyone can do. So after browning the garlic, we have to add the peppercorn and basil leaves, the pork. Now, and you mix it for several minutes. See the flavor, or I can smell the flavors of the peppercorn and the basil and the garlic together, mixing together with the smell of the pork. So I think this is going to be a very flavorful adobo. Even if it is only a simple adobo. For the soy sauce, first, for this recipe, I'm going to have an equal amount of soy sauce and the vinegar, the white vinegar, for 1/4 cup of adobo. Okay. Pork broth that we set aside a while ago. Okay, just half a mug. By the way, you can also put water in if you don't have pork broth. You see, just wait for the flavor sink into the pork, to the meat. And then while boiling, we are going to add the other main ingredient of the adobo, the vinegar, the white vinegar. So this is also 1/4 of a cup of white vinegar. So we use equal amount of soy sauce and vinegar for this particular recipe. And then we will have to cover it. And let it boil for several minutes until the pork meat is tender. After 5 minutes of boiling, we have to open and let's see. It looks delicious. Telling you this is just a plain adobo, but I'm pretty sure that this is going to be great, or this is going to be a delicious thing for us. Let's see if it's okay. If the meat is tender already, then it is ready to serve. Yeah, and the sauce have simmered down, so this is already cooked. It's ready to be served. Now, this is our Pinoy adobo. this is it. We're going to try our Pinoy adobo recipe. Our rice and our ulam. There. And then we'll see if it's going to it's going to taste good. So we'll get one piece. The meat is tender. See? And then we'll get the sabaw. And then we'll see if it's going to be perfect. In fairness, sarap. This is nice, this is good, this is delicious. And it's truly Pinoy because of Pinoy ang nagluto. Now you know how to cook the basic Pinoy adobo. You are now ready to experiment on many phases of adobo. Hey guys, this is Rene with RLumbang MyMEDIA. And as always, I'm offering you peace and love and delicious adobo. Thank you for watching. Good day. Hindi pa ako tapos. Kakain pa ako.